Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 2, Fascinating Nature. Flightless bird. A bird that cannot fly is a flightless bird. Okay. Most of them have strong legs to walk and run. The following are the pictures and description of some flightless birds. Read about them and write their names. You may use the help box. So, number one, this bird is mostly found in Antarctica. It is an excellent swimmer. ये है penguin. Number two, this is the largest bird in the world. It can run very fast. Ostrich. Number three, it is found in Australia and New Guinea. It is very dangerous. Is it as it can give a bone-breaking kick? Okay. Number three is cassowary. This is the second largest bird in the world. It is of brown color with a dark gray head. Emu. It has a very strong sense of smell as its nostrils are at the tip of its long, flexible and bills. Kiwi. It is found in South America. It spreads its wings while running, which helps it to change direction. Rhea. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Chapter is marsupial animals. Marsupials are mammals whose babies are born in a much undeveloped state. Same marsupials have a pouch on their bodies in which they keep their bodies till they are well developed. Name the following marsupials. You can use the help box. 1. It is one of the few mammals that have fingerprints. Koala. 2. This animal's baby is called a joy. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. It has a pointed nose. Number 4 is sugar glider, wombat, genia, and last one is numbat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Bandicoot. Number 4. It is a small gliding marsupial capable of gliding up to 50 meters. Number 4. Yes, sugar glider. Bear it. Koala. It has a backward facing pouch of that dirt doesn't enter that. Number 5. Wombat. 6. When attacked, it pretends to be dead. Remains still, does not blink, and hangs its tongue out. Number 6. ये है Virginia. It is a pouchless marsupial. Numbat. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. The chapter is wildflowers. A flower that grows freely without human intervention is a wildflower. There are a number of wildflowers in the world. The pictures of some wildflowers are given below. Complete their names. You may use the help box. So, number one is gorse. Number two is bluebell. Number three is campion. No, celandine. Number four, primrose. Five, clover. Buttercups. Sea campion. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Extinct and endangered. Animals or plants become extinct when all of their kinds die. This may happen due to various reasons, including hunting, the destructions of forests and grasslands, and changes in the environment. The pictures and descriptions of some extinct animals are given below. Reverse the order of letters and write their names in the space provided. Number one. It was found in Africa. It was a kind of zebra that had a partially stripped coat. It was haunted to extinction for its height. Okay, so it is Quagga. Number two, it was a flightless bird that lived on the island of Mauritius. It was about 3 feet tall and closely related to pigeons and doves. It becomes extinct in the 17th century. Odot. Dodo. It was the westernmost subspecies of the tiger. It was found in Iran, Iraq, Turkey, Afghanistan, and Mongolia until 1970s. Of all the tigers known to the world, it was the third largest Nypsrigit. What is it? It is a Carpian tiger. Caspian. Caspian tiger. Question B. An endangered plant or animal is one that is in danger of becoming extinct through loss of habitat over hunting or other reasons. After reading the descriptions, unjumble the jumbled letters and write them in the space provided. It is a big, slow moving animal which is found only in western and central China. It likes to eat bamboo. It is the symbol of the World Wildlife Fund. It was haunted excessively until 1970. ये है giant panda. This is giant panda. This is a prehistoric looking animal having a thick skin which creates huge force all over its body. It is hunted for its horn, a rhinoceros. Once found in abundance, this gentle mammal of the sea is now an endangered species. It is hunted excessively for blubber, humpback whale. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. So, chapter is lookalikes. There are many animals. There are many animals in the world who have their lookalikes. Look like animals have almost the same physical appearance. The picture of the some animals and their lookalikes are given below. Pair them by writing their names in the spaces provided. Donkey, mule. Number 2, dolphin, porpoise. Number 3, frog, toad. Number 4, turtle, tortoise. Ostrich, emu. Hare, rabbit. Okay. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Animal groups. Animals are of various types. Each animal has a particular group and a special group name. The name of some animals are given in the box below. Write each of them in the respective box. सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे mammals. Who are the mammals? Lion, deer, dog, bat. Lion, deer, dog, bat. Now, next one is insects. Insect है cockroach, mosquito, ant, butterfly. Reptiles, tortoise, alligator, lizard, rattlesnake. Tortoise, alligator, lizard, rattlesnake. Birds, crow, eagle, sparrow, ostrich. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Some facts about animals. This chapter only for reading. The blue whale is the largest and loudest animal on earth. This enormous mammal eats tiny organisms. They live in small groups called pods. The duck-billed platypus is a mammal with four legs. It has webbed feet and a duck-like beak. It is one of the few mammals that lay eggs. The African elephant is the largest land animal. Its muscular trunk serves as a hen, an extra foot, and a tool. The vampire fish is a tiny but deadly creature. It lives in South American rivers. It can enter a person's body and kill him her unless surgically removed. A flea can jump up to 200 times of its height. It is equivalent to a man jumping the Empire State Building in New York. Found in Australia, koalas are one of the oldest inhabitants of the planet. They feed exclusively on the leaves of the eucalyptus tree. They sleep about 18 hours a day. So, everyone, this chapter is in here. Now, we will let's begin the next chapter. Carnivorous plants. Plants that eat small insects are called carnivorous plants. Here are some carnivorous plants. Read about them and complete their names. You may use the help box. Okay. It is popularly known as pitcher plant. It is called so because it literally has a pitcher shaped vessel filled with a fluid. Insects are lured into the fluid and stuck here. So it is Nepenthes. Number two, it's one of the most common insect eating plants. It has a bladder that a vacuum that mm, suck in insect. Once they praise inside, it close the mouth of the bag with a seed. So number two is bladderworts. Bladderworts. Number three, its leaves are covered with a sticky substance. The prey gets caught on the leaf. The digestion is accomplished by a specialized gland found in leaves. Number three, ये है butterworts. Number four, it is an aquatic plant similar to Venus flytrap. It is also uses the snap trap. Okay, and the method to catch its prey. It is one of the fastest acting plants in the world. It closes its trap in 10 to 20 milliseconds. Water wheel. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Lesser known animals. There are millions of species of animals on earth. Only few of them are known to men. The pictures of some lesser known animals are given below. Can you recognize them by reading the clues and write their names? You may use the help box. So let me start. This amphibian is a member of the frog family. With a purple body and pointed snout, it is unlike any other frog on earth. तो ये है purple frog. It is small nocturnal fox found in the Sahara Desert of North Africa. It has usually large ears. Its ear also serve to dissipate heat. Fennec fox. It is a cat-like carnivorous animal. Adults have A head boil length of 70-80 centimeter and weigh between 55.5 and 8.6 kg. Force. It is a small sized animal that is found in Western Australia. It is long colored. Okay. And it has a long colored fur. It mostly eats termites. Numbat. And the last one. This creature was discovered in Venezuela in 2009. It is one of the weirdest moths on earth. Podal moth. So, dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you, everyone.